I start off the vlog this excited. You guys, who recognize what's in my hand? You guys, let me tell you the leaps and bounds that I've gone to get these patties. But first, how are you guys doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Okay, so I have so much information to give you guys. First thing first, I am talking this low because Sarah is done for a nap and without pacifier. Let me tell you a little scenario. She's crying, but I'm going to hold out because I don't think it makes sense to give her. So she discovered this morning on her way to school that her pacifier has so much hole that she can't really suck it anymore. So she got the concept of pacifier is broken. She called it baby. So she said, oh mama, baby is broken. So I said, okay, should I take this opportunity and not give it to her? So I did that. Went to school. I tell them at school not to give her the passy if she asks for it, just give her the doo-doo. So they told me that they did that. Reach home, I know nap time was going to be rough because the fastest and easiest way to get Sarah to sleep is to give her a pacifier. She's done for a nap right now and she knows that it's broken, but she's still crying for it. She's in there saying, oh no baby, baby, where are you? That's how she called her passy. But I know if I don't go in there, she'll fall asleep without it. So let's see how that goes. On that note, this is day one of Sarah without pacifier. Wish me luck. I really don't know how it's gonna go, but I'll give you guys an update at the end of today's vlog. Now, I have real, authentic Jamaican cheese and chicken, beef and chicken patty in a me hand, and babies I look for me because you know me excited. And you wonder where me get patty from. Listen, you guys know my nail string cut on the patty, so I'll go leaps and bounds to get patty from any corner of the world as long as it's coming straight from Jamaica. Me we get it. So there's a girl in Paris that message in the Jamaican in France group that I'm in, WhatsApp group, and say, girl, would you have patty coming straight from Jamaica? Who want to buy? So you already know that me order some. So I ordered a set of chicken patty and a set of beef patty. She shipped it yesterday and it reached me this morning. So my patties are here. Babies, you open this one?
You asked me to open it to come
Yeah,
down.
but you never want to open it, so I didn't know if you eventually did. Hey, goody patty traveling up. Look at patty. My God. So right now I just got back home and it's a good thing babe was home today, because if babe wasn't going to be home today I would miss those deliveries. I would have to rush to the post office to pick them up before the day ends. So babe is home. Babe received the package for me, just got back, and I went straight to the freezer for them. So you know what I'm gonna have for lunch, right? Chicken patty and beef patty. Oh, when Tyler come home and see patty, you know what Tyler want for dinner. So, but I cannot wait until Tyler come before I eat one. So if that's what he wants for dinner, that's what he's gonna get for dinner. But Goody, I go eat it for lunch right now. Pay enough money for them, you know, so I go enjoy down to even the crumbs. And funny enough, I have some more patty coming in from some more people, but you already know it can't be too much when you're not where it is. So have a good day, and I'm going to have a good day. Honey, can you come and say hello to the face? Let me see, which one is this? And you know, say I want patty too, and you just not create the excitement like me. What?
Hi guys. Yes, I was there. It's thanks to me that she have the party, otherwise she will have to go to the post office the next day. So she should be grateful. She should be very grateful. So anyway, I'm okay. Coughing usually, but I'm okay. and I'm gonna enjoy my patty.
Anyway, you guys, I'm going to enjoy this patty. Though I'll have to listen to Sarah cry. Hopefully she finished cry by the time I'll eat it, so that way we can eat in peace. There's no enjoy it that much. It's not easy when you hear them cry like that. But when they cry like that and you know that they're not hurting, then it's kind of okay. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to enjoy my patty. And I'll hit you guys up later throughout the rest of today's vlog. Watch nice chicken patty, Jesus. Look at the hungry belly. Watch the hungry belly. Watch the hungry belly, Sarah. Yeah, hungry belly too. Oh, to the kitchen.
100 plants.
100 planting.
Yes.
Put knife and fork at the table. Hungry belly, Sarah. Hungry belly, child. Yeah, hungry belly. You're gonna fall. One sit at the table. Look at her. You hungry? Alright, go and sit in your chair. Go sit. Look at them, look at them, look at them. Be careful, you fall.
So, Papa, Sarah.
Utilise ta force de tête pour te libérer, sinon tu te libéreras.
Sarah, be careful. Oh, Jesus.
Tais-toi. Papa, je savais pas que tu craignais les guillis. Papa, je savais pas que tu craignais les guillis. Papa, je savais pas que tu craignais les guillis.
Jesus! Oh my God! Somebody gonna get hurt, you know, you watch. Look how somebody gonna cry. Watch your foot on Sarah's head tie. Oh my gosh. Well, look how Sarah did the foot clothes. Sarah! What are you doing? Oh my God.
Who was laying down beside the clothes, not ignoring them.
She throwing up everything off of the bed. Only my let him fall, you know? Jesus have mercy. Why is Sarah empty in the bed? Somebody tell me why. Watch your head. Oh, I cannot watch this battlefield anymore. It's too scary. I'm gone. I'm tapping out. I'm tapping out. When somebody oh my god. Oh my gosh, Sarah going on top of Delaveaus. Oh my gosh. Sarah, be careful. Tyler, be careful. Oh, you guys, I'm going to have a heart attack. I cannot. I can't. I have to step out of this one. Look at Sarah. She made it. Ty, your sister behind you. Take time. Oh my gosh. You guys, I am literally going to have a heart attack. I cannot watch this anymore. What is happening? Yes, you're tired? Okay, you guys, so quick update on day 1 of no passy for Sarah. She made it. She cried long before the patty finished from the oven. Probably she was just waiting for me to turn off the camera. She stopped crying and she went to nap, and she napped her full nap without the pacifier, and she went down for the night. She cried probably like 2 minutes. By the time I closed the door, that was it. And she went down the entire night, slept the entire night without the passy. So it's a success. Now I must say, taking away Sarah pacifier has been easier than taking away Tyler's pacifier, because you guys know that Tyler cried for a while. Few days before, Tyler was happy with his pacifier being gone, but Sarah is taking it really good. So that's it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. If you did, of course, give it a thumbs up, which I know you guys will do. Comment down below. Subscribe if you're new to the Fam Bam Catchment. Keep up. And of course, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Wait, let you guys say bye-bye to the kids, since I'm ending the vlog and they're here. Say bye, guys. Bye. Sarah, say bye-bye.